guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. A bit of a short video today. I just wanted to share with you a couple of little luxury items I've recently purchased, and I think they might make some really good Mother's Day gifts. Before I dive into the video, I want to share with you that Rose Forever New York has kindly extended my promo code just in time for Mother's Day. It's an extra $25 off any arrangement, and they currently are having a Mother's Day sale, and you can combine the promo code so you can get additional savings. I'll go ahead and put the promo code on the screen below. I'll also link it in the description box down below, so when you see the description box you want to click more and then more again, and you'll be able to see any of the links or information that I share down there. They have so very kindly sent me another gorgeous arrangement, and it's this beautiful clear box with white roses. It does come with a drawer underneath, and you can put things like perfume, lotion, any kind of beauty products or jewelry products. So I really like this as an option to have maybe on a bedside table or a vanity. The roses are 100% natural. They come from Ecuador, and they're preserved using only natural oils, so they don't have any chemical scents, and they do have a nice light rose fragrance to them, and they're allergen friendly. So the first item that I'm going to unbox today is actually from Dior Beauty, and it's something that I've been wanting to get for a while now, and then they recently came out with this fragrance in the limited edition Mother's Day gift set. And there are 3 fragrances this year, so you have the one that I have here, which is the Blooming Bouquet. You also have Miss Dior, and then you have J'adore. Now let's talk about the packaging first. I personally love this packaging a lot better than the Valentine's Day packaging. The Valentine's Day packaging was pretty, but I don't know, I think I favored this one a little bit more. I did try to order this from Dior's website because I do have a bunch of promo codes. I'll share them on the screen right now as I'm unboxing this, but I'll also link them down below. And just an FYI, for the promo codes to work, you do need to be logged into your Dior account. I know that when I posted that short with all the promo codes, somebody commented that it wasn't working for them, and I think it was because maybe you weren't logged into your Dior account. So do make sure you're logged in for those promo codes to work. And at the time of me filming this, they are all working. Sometimes promo codes will expire or they run out of a certain item and then it won't work. So just keep that in mind, but there are a lot of really great things. Unfortunately, I couldn't take advantage of those promo codes because for some reason I tried for like 2 days in a row and Dior.com was not working for me. It kept timing out every time I tried to submit the order. So I ended up ordering from Sephora, and I mean that was okay too because this is also part of the VIB sale and I did get a discount on it. So again, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this beautiful like paper box, and I don't know if you can see, but it sort of has like a linen fabric feel to the box. So it's just like an elevated packaging, very beautiful. It has the gold leaf effect as well and the beautiful roses. So inside you have a full bottle of fragrance. This is a 100 ml bottle. Then you have the body milk, which is a 75 ml bottle. And then you have a little mini here, which is 5 ml of the same fragrance, the Blooming Bouquet. Now this is retailing for $150 for this set, and the other 2 I believe are retailing for $180. This one is an eau de toilette, and the Miss Dior is an eau de parfum, I believe. But this is a fragrance that I've been wanting for a while, and the 100 ml retails for $135 usually on its own. So I thought it was a really good deal because I do love this body milk from Dior. It has a very nice soft scent. So again, this is the Dior Beauty product that I bought, and I think it makes a really great Mother's Day gift. Any one of the fragrances are really great, but this is just the one that I've had my eye on for a while now. And the final item that I'm unboxing today is a little SLG from YSL, and if you are subscribed to my channel and you see my community posts, you might know what this is, but this did come from Selfridge'S, and I've told you guys about Selfridge'S before. It's just a website that I like to order. They're a retailer based out of London. If you've ever visited the UK, they're a very big department store there. And being that I'm in the US, a lot of the time you can find things for less than retail here in the US, and that's just because the items will retail for what they sell over in the UK, and then they get converted for US dollars, and sometimes you get a savings. And it's a little bit weird. I don't know how it works because sometimes they'll have something and it'll be US price. And for the longest time, this item was retailing for US price on Selfridge's website. But then recently I noticed that it was retailing for less again. So pretty much what the old price was. And if you order from Selfridge's, everything comes packed in just a plain nondescript box. But then when you open it inside, it's yellow. That's their brand color. Here's the name. And it comes wrapped usually in their striped tissue paper. Now this video isn't sponsored. I just like to share with you guys when I find these deals on Selfridges, especially for this particular brand because it's a very popular brand and I know a lot of people are interested in it. I know anytime I share something from it, you guys click on it a ton. So I love to save money. I'm sure you love to save money. So anytime I can help you guys do that, I'm happy to share. But it comes in this little box and it's something that I've been wanting to add to my collection for a while now and something that I really do need. And you might be able to guess what it is. I mean, not many things come in this size. It does come in this nice little dust bag, and pulling it out, this is the first time I'm seeing it, is the YSL card holder. Now, I have been debating on getting this in black or in this really pretty light pink color, but they didn't have light pink on Selfridges. They had it in black, and so that kind of made the decision for me. I paid $250 for this. This in the US retails for $325, and then plus taxes, I ended up paying a total of $267.50. I live in Florida, so that's just my state's sales tax. And anytime you order from overseas, anything under $800 doesn't get charged a customs fee. At least that's the rule in the US. I'm not sure about Canada or other countries, but you can usually see at checkout what your sales tax and customs, if any apply, will be. So you'll know up front how much you're paying. And normally when you enter your address, that's when they'll remove the customs fee. So just, important to remember, if you put it in your checkout, you do see that customs fee there. When you put your US address, it'll be taken off. But yeah, I was in dire need of a flat card holder. I used to have 2 Chanel flat card holders and they both fairly quickly started getting corner wear, so I wasn't really too happy with that. I had one in a metallic rose gold and then one in a white caviar, and both of them within a couple of uses had corner wear. So I decided to try YSL out this time. It's significantly less expensive. I think the flat card holders from Chanel start at $450 and up these days. So for $200 less, this card holder was just a little more appealing to me, and it still has that classic quilted style. You still have the gold hardware and the pebbled leather, which I think the pebbled leather from YSL is some of the best out there. I honestly cannot say a bad thing about the leather that I've had on my bags from YSL. I've had situations like color transfer, and I've easily removed the color transfer from this white color leather. So very happy with this. And I can't wait to see how this one wears out in comparison to the Chanel one. I'll probably do like a update sometime down the road to let you guys know how this one is doing for me. But again, if you're interested in saving on the YSL card holder, I'll link that down below as well. They did have a few colors like taupe, beige, I think there was like a yellow, and then they had a black with black hardware if you like the so black look. And then this one also I think has 1 extra card slot. Usually the Chanel one I believe has like 1 in the front and then 2 in the back. This one has 4, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Also really quick, I just got this Nest candle as part of my Sephora order. I ordered a bunch of stuff, but only a couple of things came. I think there's like massive delays going on because of the VIB sale. But I also got this candle, and it's from the Nest Wellness, and it's Himalayan and rose water. So if you wanted to get a little something for someone this Mother's Day, I really like Nest candles when it comes to luxury candles. I think they're priced a lot better than a lot of the other luxury candles, and candles is one of the things that I love to take advantage of in the Sephora VIB sale, so I usually will order a few different kinds. Also, I just wanted to show you what the candle looks like. It comes in this pink colored glass. The candle itself is white. Normally, the Nest candles will be in white glass containers, but the Wellness line comes in different colors like this one. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I typically will share bag deals, discounts, promo codes, things like that in my community tab. So if those are things you're interested in, make sure you're subscribing so that you don't miss out on those. I will leave a couple of videos up on the screen if you're not done watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.